You might know our brand, but do you know our story? This is more than an excavator. This is more than 75 years of the world's most advanced engineering, designing, making, and testing. The story of Swedish excavator brand Åkerman marks the beginning of Volvo's excavator journey. All these machines have a history worth telling. For every excavator we make today, our customers leverage more than 7 decades of technology leadership and global cross-learning. From humble beginnings to world prominence. We have developed some of the world's finest earth-moving machines, built with Volvo's hallmarks: quality, safety, productivity, and fuel efficiency. But this isn't enough. We are inspired by what we haven't done yet. With 7 R&D sites and 8 manufacturing plants across the globe, we are constantly uncovering new ground. Driven by our continuous pursuit of innovation and improvement, we developed the first fully electric compact excavator prototype, the EX2. And we continue to set new standards with our machines. This is our excavator story.